Hey everyone, I'm Tim Fox, and I'm with Elephant Scale, and I want to talk to you today about getting started with machine learning in Python. A little bit about me. As I said, Tim Fox, there's my email address. I'm a consultant in scalable machine learning and data science, big data, and in deep learning. And I'm an open source contributor. I work on a deep learning framework called BigDL, and I've also made many open source contributions to other projects. And I also do training in deep data science, machine learning, deep learning, and big data. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to look at setting up our environment to do data science in Python. We're also going to get started with Python as a language and know some of the ML ecosystem in Python. Now, why Python? There's a lot of other languages. Well, Python is easy. It's a common first language nowadays. It also has an easy syntax, and it's interactive. There's none of that time-consuming compile, run, execute, deploy loop, and we can do that more interactively. And that allows us to do a lot of analytical work and get a lot of insights quickly. Python also has a great package ecosystem, and this is the main reason why we like it. In my opinion, Python actually has the best package ecosystem of any language for machine learning. But it's also a general purpose language. Unlike other great languages like R or MATLAB, Python can be used for any purpose. We can use it for websites, web services, applications, and even things like gaming or scripting. So if you only had to learn one language and that's all you could learn, I would recommend you look at Python for that. But it also is a great language for analytics and also machine learning and deep learning. So I invite you to join me as we come and explore this together. And please subscribe to this video series so you can be ready for all of the Python machine learning and deep learning materials that we're going to look at together. Thank you.